What's up everyone, I'm Mike, and welcome back to the ICO Investor channel. And today we're going to talk about another high potential project called Solana. But before we start, please notice our disclaimer. Since I am not a financial advisor, this video is for informational and educational purposes only. So without further ado, let's begin to our topic. Solana is an open source project that aims to create a new, high-performance, permissionless blockchain. The open source project is managed by the Solana Foundation, which is based in Geneva, Switzerland. On a standard gigabit network, a centralized database can process 710,000 transactions per second if the transactions are no larger than 176 bytes on average. Using the distributed system technique known as optimistic concurrency control, a centralized database can also replicate itself and maintain high availability without significantly compromising transaction rate. Solana is the world's fastest blockchain and the fastest growing crypto ecosystem, with over 400 projects spanning DeFi, NFTs, Web3, and more. Integrate once and you'll never have to worry about scaling again. Solana ensures ecosystem project composability by maintaining a single global state as the network scales. Never work with sharded or fragmented layer 2 systems. Solana's scalability ensures that transactions for both developers and users remain less than 1 cent. Solana is all about speed, with block times of 400 milliseconds. And as hardware improves, so does the network. Solana is not only fast and cheap, but it is also resistant to censorship. In other words, the network will remain open for applications to run freely and transactions will never be halted. A collection of essential learning resources for Solana developers. A developer resource that covers the fundamental concepts and recipes for building Solana applications. Solana is a content aggregator that makes it easy to find tutorials, tools, reference implementations, and other resources for all of your development needs. The core Solana documentation is used to provide a thorough understanding of Solana concepts, architecture, programming models, and other topics. The foundational Metaplex documentation used to provide understanding and implementations for building with NFTs on Solana. A selection of the best Solana guides and tutorials. Learn the fundamentals of development on the Solana blockchain and go from 0 to 1. By completing these quests, you will be able to learn how to build on the world's fastest blockchain and begin contributing to ecosystem projects right away. An introduction to creating a custom program on Solana using a simple escrow program as an example. Anchor is a framework that simplifies the development of Solana applications by abstracting much of the heavy lifting. This tutorial will teach you how to build end-to-end products on Solana using React, Anchor, Rust, and Phantom. A visually appealing walkthrough and explanation of the Solana blockchain, complete with Ethereum comparisons. Because of Solana's high throughput and inexpensive costs, it is ideal for NFTs of various shapes and sizes. Solana supports a fully decentralized on-chain experience for artists and collectors, from auctions to perpetual royalties coded directly into the NFT. Concentrate on the artwork rather than creating a new smart contract. The Solana NFT standard and minting program are highly customizable and have ecosystem-wide support. Configure the best Web3 storage option for your project, whether it's Arweave's permanent, decentralized storage or another popular standard like IPFS. Metaplex enables creators and brands to connect directly with their audiences. Metaplex allows you to create your own NFT storefront in minutes. All in one customizable front end, you can mint, sell, and host auctions. Concentrate on the artwork rather than creating a new smart contract. The Solana NFT standard and minting program are highly customizable and have ecosystem-wide support. Make use of the strength of Merkle trees to provide NFTs to a large number of users. Tokens, NFTs, and other on-chain assets can be used to reward early supporters or fans. Take a look at Solana's exploding NFT ecosystem. Marketplaces, DAOs, artist collectives, fractionalization tools, and other resources are available. These marketplaces allow you to buy, sell, and bid on NFTs, and you can learn more about them on the ecosystem page. Launchpad is a Magic Eden product and service that aims to assist creators in minting their collections without requiring any technical knowledge. Solana's first fully-fledged NFT marketplace. Explore, buy, and sell NFTs from various collections and artists with quick and easy access to digital collectibles. The first NFT marketplace where creators can select and embed licenses when minting NFTs. Creators understand what they are selling, and collectors understand what they are purchasing. Transaction throughput is high. Fees are really modest. The latency is low. Capital effectiveness. Solana is designed for builders. Smart contracts should not be difficult to create. Anchor is a toolchain that combines Solidity, Web3.js ethers, JS, Truffle, and Ganache. Solana allows you to get started writing functional programs faster than ever before. Dealing with capital inefficient Layer 2 systems or sharded chains is never a good idea. Solana maintains a single global state while scaling in accordance with Moore's law. Saber is Solana's leading cross-chain stablecoin exchange. Solana's autonomous interest rate machine is Solend. Each validator contributes to Solana being the world's most censorship-resistant and high-performance blockchain network by processing transactions and participating in consensus issues based on a global, protocol-defined inflation rate. These bonuses are in addition to the earnings from transaction fees. Stackers are rewarded for their contributions to the ledger's validation. They accomplish this by entrusting their stake to validator nodes. Those validators do the work of replaying the ledger and sending votes to a per-node vote account where stackers can delegate their stakes. When forks occur, the rest of the cluster uses those stake-weighted votes to choose a block. Stake pools are a liquid staking solution on Solana that promotes censorship resistance, decentralization, and the expansion of DeFi. Here are the team in Solana: Anatoly Yakovenko CEO, Greg Fitzgerald CTO, Raj Gokul COO, Eric Williams Data Science and Token Economics, Hisanju Chuang Head of Growth, and more. Strategic Partners: DDEX, Civic, Fuse, Chainlink, and many more. Staking Partners: Bison Trails, Stakefish, Certus One, and more. Notable Investors: Multicoin Capital, Foundation Capital, NGC Ventures, and others. This is the coin Gecko of Solana, also known as Sol, currently has a price of $140.63. And this is the chart of Solana. Last November they've reached the highest price of $259.24 and pulled back a bit this January. Let's take a look at Solana Twitter page. They started their official page back at January 2018 and have 1.2 million followers. If you want to join other community of Solana, Discord is available. Solana Discord community has 103,949 members. And that's all for Solana. Come visit our channel, subscribe, and watch out for our next videos here at ICO Investor. Thank you for watching.